welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a special sheet for my planner, really going into, the 2021 planner, but I wanted to start on it today because I had the idea and I was just like, let's do this. It has to do with the quote reality called I Hung Up that I got on the Gail freebie from coffeeplannermom. And I thought I would use that and my BEPD shop stack book icons and some of the Simplistic kit boxes I still had. I had some quarter boxes and then some from the kit. And I wanted to kind of make a reading log. Now, I've done that before and I've used a full page and it just, I never used the entire page. And so I was like, you know what? You have these little mini sheets. And this would be perfect because you can move it either from monthly view to monthly view or weekly view to weekly view. And so I thought, let's give that a try. So this is my favorite time of morning in my little planner area because we get so much sunlight in this room. And usually in the summer, Sharpie has a sunny spot. We always call it his sunny spot, and he knows when it's going to happen and how long he gets, and he moves with the sun. In the wintertime, the sunny spot is on the wall, so he can't he can't lay down in the sun. Excuse me. But he does like to still check out the window, and these two rooms upstairs in our house give off so much light when the windows are open that it goes out downstairs. It's just so beautiful. It's my favorite time of morning. So all I'm going to do, this is not going to be like a huge deal, but I'm just going to start placing, I might write a little bit up there, or maybe I'll write it on another spot. I don't know. Since there's already script there. Yeah, I think we'll just go ahead and put some boxes down. And I'm not going to worry if they're straight. I'm not going to worry. None of that is what we're doing here today. It's kind of like an extra self-care page almost. And this is just going to be a place that as I read, I can write down what I've read. Words are hard. I can write down the books I've read and kind of keep track that way. And I think it's just going to be a lot of fun. And I love young adult fiction. It's probably my favorite. And I think just because of the escape, hence why I liked the quote, reality called I Hung Up. I actually just purchased some books from Amazon that I've already read, but I didn't own. And I had read something about how people who are easily stressed or have anxiety like to reread things or rewatch shows that they've already seen because they know what's going to happen. So it's almost like stress relief that way. So some of these books in here that I'll end up writing down are books I have already read. But again, the anxiety-ridden part of me says that's okay. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, we got a little schmooch. So the two books that I've purchased that I've already read are both by Robin McKinley. I love her books. And one is a retelling of Beauty and the Beast called Rose Daughter. I own her other retelling because that one's my favorite. It's called Beauty. I reread that one a lot. But Rose Daughter is another retelling. And then I got Sunshine, which I had owned, but I must have let someone borrow and it never was returned, which makes me sad because that's also a really fabulous book. Let's put you kind of this way. And it's a vampire story, but not like sparkly vampires, not like Twilight. I'm currently still reading Midnight Sun, and I want Stephanie Meyer's to rewrite all of the books from Edward's perspective now because it's so good. Yeah, can't get enough. And then I plan on rereading, see, I told you I'm going to reread a lot, the Lunar Chronicles, which if you haven't read those are fairy tale retellings with a sci-fi twist to them. Also really good. So plan on rereading those. This is coming out super cute. Like, it's just like a nice little book page. I've always like signed up to do, oh, you guys probably can't see it all. I'm sorry. I was talking. I usually do a Goodreads challenge, but the last few years I just haven't completed them. So I was like, you know, instead of doing that, let's just keep track on a fun little planner page like this. And I love these little stack books. Like, look how cute these icons are. They're so cute. And then, of course, in January, I always reread The 7 Habits. Either I, like, actually read the book or I use the audiobook on my way to and from school. I think I'll put this one down here. It just sort of depends. But I do love rereading that as well. It's just kind of a great headspace in the new year type read. I think that's what I'm going to do. I don't think I'm going to do the backside yet, just because it could get overwhelming. I know, I'm weird. I am. I like to call it environmental anxiety. I don't think I'm anxious all the time, but I do have anxiety issues. I think I want to put this guy, this little like header piece, kind of at the bottom here. Can we fit you in there? I think we can if we're very careful. Oh, there we go. Look how cute that turned out. I'm so excited to put this in my planner. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. I will link Coffee Planner Mom, obviously, in the description below, as well as the BEPD shop, which is on Etsy. So if you are interested in getting either boxes like this or the quote or the little stack books, you know where to get them from. So I will catch you in the next one.